Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. This is day 3. Thank you so much to those of you who have switched on and have enjoyed this mini series that I'm doing, a day in the life of my hair. In the midst of us staying at home in quarantine, self-isolation, I just thought I'd bring a little ray of sunshine to y'all. So day 3, I'm assessing my hair and I'm realizing that I'm finding some small particles in the sink and in the shower and on the windowsill, and I thought, what is this? Let me show you what I am seeing, okay? Okay, here I have found some hair. Exhibit A was taken from the bathroom floor. As you can see, there's a little split there in this strand, and there is another one just here. Not happy about that. So 2 splits in this strand of hair. And take note, this isn't a very long piece of hair. And exhibit B, on this strand of hair, you can see a little, just there. Can you see? Yes. You can see it. You can see it. Don't tell me you can't. 2 short pieces of hair right here that indicates to me that I have split ends. So on a very serious note, we have to tackle this issue. We are going to dust my ends. Can't believe it. I already trimmed my hair twice last week. Anyway, so that's what we're doing in this video. So if you want to see how I dust my ends, just kind of tidy them up, just keep on watching. Okay, just a few things, okay, because I'm going to have to give some information from Google. It might give you a better understanding, so I'm just going to read it out. Dusting, as far as Google is concerned, says dusting is a hair care practice where less than a 1/4 inch is trimmed from the hair. And I don't know if I'm going to do 1/4 inch. With so little hair trimmed from the head, the gathered clippings resemble dust. Hence the term dusting. Okay? So in other words, all that dusting means is it's another way of you refreshing your hair, getting rid of the split ends, and retaining that length, because I have to, you know, shave the things that are sticking out like that. So this is my disclaimer. I just want you to know this is not a tutorial. Don't go following me, okay? Don't! I said don't, because I'm not a trained hairologist or a stylist. I'm just doing what I know to do for myself, okay? So don't come and tell me anything. Alright, so I got that out of the way. For those of you who don't know, if I'm wearing my hair down, I usually wear a silk scarf, and this is my granny scarf. So the other thing to note is you've got to make sure you have scissors, okay? These are usually my hair shears, proper scissors. Come on, in times past I have used things like this, which is your craft scissors. We are not doing that today. What you want is a nice clean cut. So I have bought another pair of shears because my old favourites, they're a little bit blunt and they need to be resharpened. Before the lockdown, I bought these. As you can see, it's a bit rough on the ends. I don't know what's going on with my hair. I don't know. If anyone could tell me. Maybe it's my age. 48. In my perimenopause right now. I'm in that season where hormones are acting up. Maybe it's my hair reacting from that. But anyway. Oh. So what I'd like to do is I just take a decent size and twirl it around. I like to see the hair that's sticking out from the strands twisted. So I then take the scissors and trim these bits off. And then, when I get to the end, I'm just going to nip the end. So this hair right there, so that hair right there, that is the length I've just snipped off. That's not bad. So here we go. Already feeling a bit nervous. Alright, it's a tiny amount, but it's my hair and I'm trimming it again. It's not funny. Can you see how glossy the hair looks already? That's just ridiculous. Whoa, that feels better already. And look at that. Look at the end of that. You see what I'm saying? It doesn't look the same as it did before, you see? So I'm just going to go ahead and do this to my hair. Oh, I'm brave talking while I'm doing this. I'm going to go around and do this in my hair, and then I'll probably come back when I'm finished. Alright? Woo! That was close. Okay, we'll leave that one. Oh, that feels better. Look at that. Just that little trim made all the difference. Okay, so look at the ends now. They're not even curling on themselves. They don't have much shine to them. Okay, you can see. Hey, I'll show you that this thing is worth it, okay? So we just need a little bit. Just to say bye-bye. Okay, so now look at the ends. Look at that. Does that look like the same hair? Definitely feels better. Take note, we are doing this. You have to be like boss-eyed just to cut it because you can't see it. I have no idea what it's going to be like for those who have shorter hair than myself. Not that I have Rapunzel hair. However, what I would say is if you have shorter hair than I have, then just pray. Sorry, because I don't know what else to suggest. You need somebody else to help you if you've got shorter hair. So look at the ends. Generally look really healthy. Much healthier. A little bit more glossier, and the curls at the end seem to curl over nicely, not just sticking out like that. Anyway, we will carry on. That's it. Done it now. Let's do the reveal. It feels nice because it's flopping down now. It's got a bit of weight to it. Flopping nicely. It's all about the flop, you see. It's all about the flop. Feels so much better. Now, bear in mind, I have not cut a style, okay, because I can't. So, as you can see, my hair feels so much better. It actually looks a little bit more fuller, probably because I've messed up the curls, but it also feels really good. Running my fingers down my pretty curls. Okay, so let's do the Instagram thing now, okay? How to do that. Okay, so just a few things some of you may ask me about dusting your ends. How often do you have to do it? Do it as many times as your hair needs it. I mean, for goodness sake, if your hair is, the ends are like that, trim them off, dust those ends off, take off what is necessary. I mean, look, I've still retained my length. As you can see, it's not taking the length off. It's just tidied and refreshed the curls, which is what you need. Oh, let me just show you how much hair I dusted, okay? So as you can see, this is the amount of hair that was taken. That is not a lot, right? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video in day 3, a day in the life of my hair in quarantine. I hope that it has lifted your spirits a little bit, giving you a bit of laughter. Those of you that may be feeling anxious, fearful at this time, I want you to focus on the positive, not the negative. And to answer a question that somebody DM'd me recently on how I'm coping to stay positive in this particular time, I meditate on the Word of God. And one of my favourite scriptures, there's so many of them, is Proverbs 3 verse 5 and 6. Trust in the Lord with all my heart and lean not on my own understanding. In all my ways acknowledge him and he will direct my paths. Because if I didn't, you know, I would just go crazy and bring a lot of fear to myself. So I want to encourage you guys and pray for you guys to stay strong, stay positive, stay at home, look after yourself, and God bless you. Bye.
You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere